My name is Emre. I'm one of the Power BI trainers within Tree Finance. In today's video, we will be showing you how you can connect Excel to a live published dataset. And there are several ways to do this. One, we can start from the online environment, or we can start directly from our Excel application. And I think the best way to show you this is moving to our laptop. So, I already opened up an existing report. It's called the Product Dashboard Net Sales. It's a report with some visuals, but let's say that I want to create my own report in Excel. That's possible. So we can hit Export and use the Analyze in Excel functionality. If I select that, then an Excel in the browser will open. But of course, we don't want to work in the browser. I want to work in my Excel application. So I'm just going to hit Edit. Open a desktop app, open Excel. In a few seconds, I will see a pivot table in Excel. Now, by dragging and dropping, I can create a report, something like this. It's a pivot table with some slicers where I can just slice and dice on my reporting. So that's the first way. The second way is I want to focus on the numbers of a visual. In this case, it's actual versus budget. And I want to see these numbers in a table format in Excel. That's possible. Using the options menu of that visual, I can select Export Data. So I have now here summarized data with a live connection. I click on Export. A file will be downloaded. I click on the file, it will open up, and I will see a table with the numbers. I can remove some columns. Let's do that. And I want to add a new column using an Excel formula. In this case, it's going to be the percentage achieved. I can even format that entire column. Let's do that. Okay. Now I can save my file. I can reopen it tomorrow. And nice thing is now I can just click the right mouse button and hit refresh. And my data is updated. So, I showed you two methods where you can start from the Power BI online environment and link to Excel. You can also start from Excel. So let's use an empty sheet, and I will show you that the sheet is empty. So there are no connections here. And I can connect this Excel file to the Power BI environment. So let's go to Data, Get Data from Power Platform from Power BI. If I select that, here on the right side of my screen, I can see the data sets that I can connect to. Let's take the first one. As you can see, it's a pivot table, and now I can create my report. The advantage of this method is I can now open up a second page and I can select a different data set. So I have multiple data sets now within one Excel file. Before we end today, I just want to mention you cube formulas. With cube formulas, I can actually combine the live data set with Excel and create some flexibility in my reporting. And what I mean by that is, let's just first convert this table into formulas. You can see now that each cell is converted into a cube formula, meaning a cell linked directly to the live data set. And with some work, I can create actually something like this, a fixed layout, combining Excel formulas with cube formulas, and I have a beautiful dynamic report in Excel. That was it for today. If you want to learn more about Excel and Power BI, please check the training calendar below, and I hope to see you in class.